My research career began in summer 2021 when I was awarded with a 6-month scholarship to go to a really good research center in Germany. And after that, I stayed in that lab as a research assistant for 1 year and a half. I was born in Badajoz, Extremadura, but I did my degree in health biology at the University of Alcalá. In the last year of my studies, I was part of the Erasmus exchange program at the University of Aristotle in Thessaloniki, Greece. And then I did a master in drug development at the University of Granada, where I'm right now doing my PhD in pharmacy. So as a part of the Department of Organic and Medicinal Chemistry from the Faculty of Pharmacy at the University of Granada, my PhD focused on the design and synthesis of novel small molecules as potential new cancer treatments. What we do basically is to design and to create, let's say, new molecules that target cancer cells by going to a specific protein that is overexpressed in cancer called CD44. Drug development is a process that takes up to 15 years, more or less, because there are different stages from lab research, in vitro cell cultures, animal models, and then clinical trials. So our research focuses on the first steps of this process, from lab research to in vitro cell experiments. From my point of view, the best part of being a PhD student is that I've been lucky to be part of a really nice environment. My supervisors have always supported me, and they have encouraged me to reach my full potential, let's say. They have always listened to me, and they have encouraged me to integrate my own ideas into the project. And one thing that I also enjoy a lot is the flexibility, because we have meetings, we set deadlines, and then I can manage to work on my own. And then I will also say that thanks to my PhD, I have had the opportunity to travel a lot. I've been on research stays in Italy, Germany, and Greece. On the contrary, I will say that one of the challenges of working on the academia, especially on early stages, is that research positions often depend on funding, and continuation is not always possible, even if you are getting good results and happy with your team, and your team is happy with you. I think it will be a bit too much to talk for all girls in the world, because everyone has their own experience. But I could share what I would tell to the younger version of myself. I would tell myself to trust myself and to listen to my inner voice that tells me what feels right and what feels wrong. That I'm allowed to ask for help for my teachers and friends and classmates, and that I'm not supposed to know everything that I think that I must know. I also think that it is important to surround yourself with good friends and with a strong community, and to also be a support for that community. And I will tell myself not to forget about my hobbies, because they are really important, and that it's important not to forget about yourself and your life beyond work, because science is a career of patience and teamwork.